It was saying like I could have went live with a guest, but I don't know how that feature worked yet. So today we are in the lab. Just finna see what we finna do. Uh, the whole goal is to get all of this shit done. We built the game. We came up with a game concept last night. Shout out to KT from Thug Rich Empire. He came up. Well, he had an idea of us doing a game for the podcast, and then him, Chaos, and well, really me, him, and Chaos. We sat down and came up with the rules and stuff of how we're gonna run our game, and then we got Sauce's input on it too. So everybody's kind of fucking with it. Let me go ahead. They won't let me do my cards again. You should know what's up. Do this every time on the life of the party. Damn, I can still go live. I never did to go live for people. I gotta learn. We're gonna learn how to do that. Hey, can't you tell it's obvious? I live. So basically, I'm just seeing what all we just did. Remember, I'm working on the server via the whatever that VNC. So we should be able to do landscape in the PWA, all of that. We renamed all of that stuff, the DOA to the voting club, changed that. Address format, truncated loan addresses, and added descriptive LBE IDs. Okay, consistency fix various Empire DAO and sovereign leftovers to use the voting club and LBE ID, which makes sense. Let's see though. Removed over 20 legacy MD files. Okay, so all that bullshit should be gone. Which it looks like. Yeah. It look like all that bullshit gone. Don't look like we have no errors either. So we accept, purge redundant build artifacts, root wallet folder, and over 15 obsolete setup / test scripts. Okay. So I should be straight. Uh-oh. I was trying to down, pull the app up, see what it looked like. Mo, what it do, bit dog? Said, man, I'm blessed to be here, fam. Appreciate you asking. Like I said, today we are working on finishing the profiles. We're gonna paint that wall so people can sign it, and we're gonna paint that wall so people can sponsor us, man. We finna turn up, y'all. I'm hustling. I'm on the computer right now coding for the server that we built on what day 3 or whatever. I'm working on it. Shoot, appreciate the love, y'all. Appreciate the love. But yeah, we're getting it going. Right now I'm on the Big T, what you call it, and it's working. The app is working. I'm just trying to get it. If I can get it to where it don't confuse anybody on how to use it, it's gonna be straight. I'm cool, bro. I'm good. Man, what you smoking on today, bit dog? What you got going? Tell me what you smoking on. We still got the goddamn pen, man. Our last batch is not dry. Y'all, that shit's when it's not dry, and then I think I'll be impatient too, because most people be like, man, it's best to leave it out and air dry over like a long period of time, like 4 weeks or something. What did it do, Julian? What you been up to, fam? But most time it take like 4 weeks, 4 5 weeks for a good dry, air dry. If you want good quality bud, I be rushing that shit. It only been 2 weeks, and I'm already trying to smoke. Like, and it's really just on my behalf because I just got down. I've been really we've been doing a little podcast and shit, and Just been smoking more than usual here. Well, Julian said he ain't the birth. Oh, load up then, Julian. Julian that bang. Man, I'm telling you, we're gonna have it going today, y'all. After I get this little cold and shit out the way. We built the game yesterday, so we got a podcast game. So now when people pull up, I ain't even think nothing about hooking into this. But when people pull up and if they want to join the podcast and shit, what going on, G? That boy G in it. I got all the reels in the building. What going on, man? But now I'm looking at it like this. I'm like, I said, I get the game going. And when people pull up, they'll be in it bit, and we're gonna write on the board. It's called 10. They get 10 questions. It's gonna be 10, it's 10 questions. They gotta write it on the board. It's 10 punishments on the wheel, or you might get saved. And then yo, man, that shit gonna be so fucking crazy. I think that shit gonna be wild. It's gonna be real fun. And then we got a tiebreaker and all that. Julian said, my wife is at Walmart. What's she doing? But you know them women when they go in the stores. Walmart and Target. She gone for a minute. Hell. Hey, G, what going on with you, bit dog? Tell me something good. I'm over here working on the little app. Something fucked up on it, but I couldn't fix the error. I'm trying to grab all these errors and stuff. I don't want no issues, but now. See, look, what it say? I got 0 followers, I got 0 friends, and I'm following 0 people. I'm the best. That is sucks. But we're gonna go ahead and get all of this shit finished. I think I'm gonna change. I think I might change the hexagon photos. Let's do that. Yeah, we're gonna change. I'm gonna just tell it just remove the hexagon shape profile pictures because I'm starting not to like that. The more I see it, I don't like it. Remove the hexagon. Oh, my shit just came on too. Profile pictures. Make them like I should have said the shape. I'd be through it. Hey, see? I'm down the street. Said Ravens about to pull a stunt today. They just gave Lamar his extension. For real? Shoot. And then my boy Julian just said she buying the fridge. Oh shit. Send the old fridge my way, nigga. I need one. Shit. That was a year ago. Hey. Said, boy, what the Ravens might play tonight? I ain't been keeping updated on nothing, but I said that's another thing we're doing today. We're gonna hook the projector up. That way we can all watch TV and shit on them. Shout out my pops because I know he gonna let me get goddamn YouTube so I can watch the shit live and shit. So boom, just like that, I can host my games. And man, nigga, we ain't been it, boy. Ain't never gonna switch up the pimping just like this. Just like this. I'm just like this. What did you do to the smart now? Remove the hexagon profile pictures and make them like the avatar. That shit, it just be doing what it do, but I'm gonna let it do its thing. He said, no, it's free agent time. Oh, so they picking up. They trying to get some shit going. One boy said, Julian said, it's not gonna fit in my house because my house is too fat. So how the hell, what kind of fridge you getting? Or you getting a smaller one? What you saying? Buy. Hey, speaking on that free agent stuff, you be doing that them fantasy picks. I know people be doing them around that time too. They gotta bite my shit. Hey, so many hoes, them bitches like my, and I ain't never gonna switch up this thing. Just like this, just like this, just like this. So sick of they gotta bite my shit. Them bitches like my dick. Hey, gonna switch up this pimping. Just like this, just like this, just like this. What you doing? Somebody in the do. Making it do what it do. He said, "Yeah, but I do season fantasy. Okay, what is a season fantasy?" And my boy Julian said, "Are you drinking alcohol?" You know I don't drink. Come on, Julian. You know I don't drink. Alcohol is never in my system. That's tea, bro. You know I'm an old nigga, bro. This is tea, Arizona tea. They need to fucking sponsor me. Sponsor me, Arizona. Shit. He said, "Well, I do drink root beer. Oh, but I fuck with the root beer heavy. It's good to me. Some people don't like it. What is this? Why did it change all them things? Bite my shit and so many hoes, them bitches like my dick, and I ain't never gonna switch. Okay, we're gonna look at the. And I'm so sick of they gotta bite my shit, man. I got so many hoes, them bitches like my dick, man. I ain't never gonna switch up this thing. User, what the fuck did it do? Mm-mm-mm. So apparently it's supposed to have changed it for all of that. I'm finna change the model of what AI I'm using right now and do something different. But we did add QR codes to the website. So when you do sign up, you do get your own QR code for people to sign. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I don't see nothing in the publisher box. What the fuck was it talking about? Oh, they just made it around it. Mm-mm. Excuse me. I do need to fix that. When it's posted, it's not showing the user. What's called. I'm really not trying to accept these motherfuckers because I don't know what all they did. They might have did some shit that I didn't want them to do. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use what you call it. I should have what you call it now. If Claude is available, I'm using Claude because it's the most honest. Then I'm gonna tell it, I want to check everything. Everything about this motherfucker, I want to check. So let me see. My bad, y'all. I know I be focused in and shit. Why the fuck you keep copying the clipboard? Man, open the bitch out of the way. You about to pick me up. Universal rebranding. Yeah. And this shit don't goddamn go down. I'm finna get pissed off. I got time. What's it say? I system has replaced clip hexagon. Okay. So anywhere it found clip hexagon, it removed it and did something different. I system has replaced clip hexagon with rounded X1 for smaller icons and rounded. Okay. I'll accept it. All right. Follow the rounded design. Okay. So what it said is some of the changes. The smart nav updated the user pop-up menu, user pop-up media player thumbnails, and search results. Okay. Then it says profile header replace the large hexagon avatar with the smooth. Okay. Uh shape updated the QR sharing section. I don't know why I did that. Messages updated the contact list chat to use the new rounded. Yeah, because I had the hexagons and that shit too. My boy Max said, I play fantasy for the season. I only pick a new team. I only pick a new team every year. Some people play fantasy where they keep their team for the next season. I couldn't do it for a whole year, man. Well, yeah, I'm about to say shit. The whole season is a year though, cause it's only what. I don't they only really play what 5 months out of the season. Let me see. I played. Yeah. And then Julian said, "My wife is coming home soon. Oh, she on the way. She on the way. You better have that damn spot clean for that fridge, Julian. She gonna come home and kick your ass. If she went to go get that fridge, but you better have that motherfucker cleaned out, ready to go. The interface now feels much more modern now. Mm-mm. Let's change these models up on their ass real quick. Somebody said I have a broken arm when I got into the fact. Damn, I thought you told me about that a little minute ago. How long that been, Julie? I'm saying, like, how long that been though, bro? I thought you told me about that like a little minute ago. The season is 17 weeks. 17 weeks what? 17 right ago. Yeah, about 5 months, 5 to 6 months. 16. Yeah, 4 times 4 is 16. Yeah. All right, about 5. Damn, bro, it's not open. Fuck 'em. I'm gonna go to this one. Crew. Hey, man, boy. See, that's what I look at it those 17 weeks. I look at it like this, bro. When I'm hosting my games and shit, 17 weeks, I got 17 weeks to make at least about what? Because I think it's two games. It's 2 games per day, I think. And so with that shit going on, if I'm making $100, $200 per game, I'm straight. Like, come on. Think about that shit. Then when the fucking playoffs come out, I'm not gonna cry they goddamn head, boy. Knocking their ass across the head. I swear. Oh, they the avatars. Y'all, what is it doing? Okay. Let me look at the flow or some shit like. Fuck it. I had to just use this phone. Go check out the app. Check out the app with me, y'all. What was I said? I broke my arm on the factory accident. I remember you had told me that, but I'm saying how long. Then Matt Z said, we traded for Max Corsby and then backed out and got Trey Hendricks instead. Man, boy, what my boy South said, bro? Come by. Y'all, hold on. Nah, South was talking about, what the fuck he was talking about last night? No, man, can't even think, G. Over here trying to work on the goddamn app shit at the same time. Oh, who the fuck was Mac? Mac was talking about somebody, bro. He was psyching out. Now, he said somebody traded somebody. That shit was so funny because he was trying to mock bro voice and everything. Something wrong. Can I initialize? What's going on? Did it log me out? Can I access uninitialized? Fuck. One single grain of sand. Hold on, y'all. Gemini. Thanks to you, baby. Look. There's love in the comments. I already know how to use Gemini Live. Get off my dick. Mm-mm. I ain't never been no code. We open shop, then close. I ain't changing for no. I ain't changing for folks. Like me then. Hey, no man. Shit. Gotta go to Gemini. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to hustle and goddamn do this shit at the same time. If I don't do this shit, I'm gonna be fucked. Cause I only got till tomorrow to do this. Julian said, I definitely broke my arm. Julian, you told me you broke your arm, bitch. I'm saying when, like, wasn't that like a month ago? So I started trolling. He gotta be trolling me. Said, what? Open that window. I'm getting so many errors on my shit right now. That boy trolling me. He gotta be. I definitely broke my arm. Must be on that pain meds. That what that is. That way I got down gig. Said, my boy said the same thing about 3 times. Hold on, y'all. I'm telling you, bro. I gotta get this shit going, bro. I cannot afford to let this shit slip, bro. I'm sorry, I just can't. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and draw this down, these numbers out and shit. But mainly fix this out, because the app don't work. People gonna be pissed off. People gonna talk shit, and I'm gonna have to cut a nigga. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Cause you know how YouTube be. They be quick try to boot a nigga off, and we done been 11 days strong in the motherfucker. Damn, hit that one. Come on, man. I wish this shit would load quicker, bro. Oh, Control V. Damn. Oh shit, that's cool as fuck. It can consist of the different apps that I can allow for guests only. What they want? That what they want? Oh, they want the 85 cutlass. I want to hit them up and stand them up in public. Hey, I want to hit them up. Oh shit. I'm finna ask this one about what they feel about my what's called be brutally and if it makes sense. I know. Well, and then all the damn typing and out the damn thing went out of what he said. Started trolling the boy Julian, so like yelling out of nowhere. I be man, Julian. I be wild when I be down when I be working. I need okay. Let's see if that just updated it. Another nigga. Hey, hell no. Oh, it's reloaded. Hopefully it works. Which is okay. Hey, we're working, y'all. Okay. Why is it showing me the station power? Why is it showing how much power we using at the station? It is not supposed to be showing that shit. We'll figure it out. Let's see. As I feel like I should do this in a whole nother what's called if it makes sense. What do you do? All right, my dumb ass. I hit shift enter. But he said, "Did you break your neck?" Tomorrow did that. Nah, I had filled up my truck like a long time ago and fucked my little back up, so that's why I always be doing like little shit to kind of get that bit back going. I think they said I broke a little piece down up in there, and that motherfucker. I don't think it broke. I think it just needed to just be, you know what I'm saying? But I can't do it by myself, and I refuse to. I ain't gonna say I refuse. I just don't ask for help. I don't ask for people to be like, "Hey, think you can help me stretch and shit like that." Like I just feel like that shit just be weird, so I don't do it. But it said you built a visually stunning, high interactive prototype of a digital nation. The UI looks incredibly premium. However, to make it truly successful, you need to decide what it actually is. If it's a social app for a physical community focused on the social media feed, messaging, and event click-ins flawlessly. If you want to be a true Web3 ecosystem, you need to replace the database shortcuts with actual smart contracts. Right now it's selling the dream of decentralized physical slash digital empire, but technically operating as a very complex, centralized social media website. Let's see. It says operating system. Operating system. See, it says my birds outside and I still have nothing to give them. It's like the back end code. Damn, they got a lot of shit. It says this keys, but most of the actual data is centralized your post. Wait, that bit really went to chomping my shit. Said, guess what? I'm going to do live stream tomorrow so I can show my damn plushes I bought. Go live, folks. I got to go live link right here. I can send you the link right now. You go live. Hop in that bit. I don't know how the hell. I can't send it to my own chat. I'm going to live. It said, I heard a cracker saying your neck. So you need a band-aid. Yeah, boy. I'm about to say that shit fucked up. Let me see. Registration metrics. Until you actually wire up an ITO system. But that bitch chomping my shit. It telling me everything that I got fucked up. And that is what I'm above. My heart in this message. Evil's after your soul. Lord knows a tracer. They're gonna hurt you. I'm trying to see what's the best way to word this too. This shit, but it's good. Somebody brutally honest opinion on what's going on. Mhm. Let's see. So it says conceptually, it makes sense. It says conceptually, yes, the vision of taking old hardware, flashing, and yes, move into physical. Okay. Same thing. I'm trying to see. Man, my birds look sad out there, man. Well, fuck it, do both. I never tell it's my oath. I'm say, so what are you saying? Like, I'm trying to see what they're saying, cause Business owners. Shit. That damn cold shit, man. It be fucking my head up. It's just the type of shit too. Excuse me. Cause I want all of my shit to work, but I don't want it to be overwhelming to anybody. Like I'm not trying to sit here and be like, oh y'all get this app and then y'all get on the app and be like, bro, I don't know what the fuck to do. I don't want that. I don't want that. I want them as soon as they get on that bit, they be like, oh, this is nice. Oh, I can post, I can do this. Like whole purpose of this shit is to them come together and make content and share shit for each other. So I forgot to tell that I want. Got to tell. Why is it editing this shit? I guess it's just doing it. I'm gonna let it be, man. Fuck it. Oh, it look like it doing some good shit. I'm gonna let it do its thing, man. What am I saying? Oh yeah. I said, it's cool. Move. And I ain't true. Hey, karma is a bitch. I'm telling you. Yeah, shit. Verifying the changes with a local bill. With somebody knew where that I was when I had. Oh yeah. I hope you don't break. I'm trying to see. We for see what the update look like. No, good, good. I should do that. Uh, it's still up there. Something fucked up. See me, Jimmy, and me, and make it look easy. My freezing, freebies. But the G, on the TV. Yeah, it's not like a big tree. Then with this other, it say it don't look like windows no more. Then you leave temporary. It's, what is that? Oh, that's the voting. It dropped 5,000 citizens. Oh shit! I'm about to say it dropped 5,000 citizens LV for active citizens. That wouldn't be bad. Launch Empire TV music channel. We're looking all that fake shit out of that. What did I play? Fuck my name. Smart now. Fucked up. Damn, bro. What wrong with the smart now, bro? I fucked it up. I've been drinking, so excuse my language. I don't know what I've been like money. I've been checking. Hey, when you take me, I've been smoking, I've been drinking, so excuse my. Or they in the active stream state. It look like it's just doing this on the thing, man. So we'll just let it do it. I'm so happy, boy. I'm finna start hitting some more stuff. I need my goddamn what's it called? Christmas, please, but I'm out. Excuse my language. I've been, my what I've been thinking in money, cause I've been, when he take me, he gonna take me. And I've been drinking, so excuse my language. I don't know where I've been hanging. Why ain't they upload this bit yet? This shit be blowing me. While it's doing all of that shit, I might as well read the bill script, see what's going on. Fixing render errors. Trying to see. I want to know how it knows all this shit. Like, I ain't even tried to go live on the platform yet to even know if the end stream button works. So how does it know? I mean, I know it's reading the code, but it didn't simulate it. Look at the palm. But it look like a big ass fucking plane. Damn. Entry point. So this is what it's saying, y'all. Brainstorming the true digital architect. It says the challenge. Little Big Empire, LBE wants to be an entire decentralized operating system, social network, and physical city interface all in once. If not handled correctly, it becomes a confusing mess of disjointed features that scares away both the 7-year-old and the 70-year-old. Here's the brutally honest truth and the best way forward. The core philosophy, progressive disclosure. You cannot show everything at once. A business owner doesn't care about LV blockchain validators. They care about selling coffee via QR code. A 7-year-old doesn't care about decentralization. They care about feeding their genie pet. That is so fucking true. Fucking Angel and Peanut, them, that's all they want to do is play the fucking game. Before we hit, okay, the strategy must be progressive disclosure. Start simple. The only reveal of the complex Web3 OS mechanisms, mechanics, my dumb ass, when the user actively look for them. Okay. Excuse me. The architect strategy. The entry point, the city app, not an operating system. When people open the LB URL on their phone, it should not look like a Windows desktop. It should look exactly like a modern premium mobile app like Instagram or Apple Wallet. I don't know about that. The default view, the feed. This is similar. I mean, this is just a scrolling feed. People post pictures, updates, and everything happening at the LB station. The smart nav. This is perfect. Keep it at the bottom. It anchors everything. The account. They log in with an email/phone or just tap a physical NFC card. Never mention seed phrase or MetaMask or blockchain during the onboarding. The physical bridge. Because we'll be doing this for a long time because it's still working out. So I'm over here trying to talk to the mic like Mike actually. Fuck out it. Look like you really, really scaring something. Ooh, I probably went down too much. Hold on, y'all. I went down too far. Shit, but you went up too high. If I ever feel played, I'm gonna burn. That broke my fucking. Fuck it. Damn. We bitch. Shit, lame as hell. It's alright, y'all. Man, shit. Let's see. Says the physical bridge. Tap to enter the magic number. The absolute best way to make this work for an everyday person is the LVE portal. Okay. So scenario: 70-year-old walks into the LVE station. They don't have the app action. They see a glowing stand. They tap their phone or physical Empire card. You give them because we got those. Result: instantly identify Oh, instant identity. It instantly opens a web link without generating a password. Or what is it? Without generating a password. The browser creates an LVID, a hidden crypto wallet in the background. They instantly give 5 Genie coins just walking in the building. They get some Genie, they can't get the LV, gotta pay for that. What's the password? Okay. The vibe, it feels like magic, not crypto. The desktop belongs on kiosks, not phones. The Dragula LV OS UI, developer slash OS is used on the mobile phone, but it's perfect for a physical kiosk, which is true. The hardware you take on these old recycled, what the fuck? Old recycled laptops and tablets, you flash them to boot up directly into the developer slash OS full screen. Okay. The use case, these screens are mounted on walls, which we'll have one here, um, or a desk at the LVE station. When someone taps their phone at the kiosk, the OS looks physically. The OS screen physically logs into their account. The split mobile phones act as remote controls, the wallet, ID, the feed, kiosk slash tablets as workstations, the desktop OS, the studio, the games. Let's see. The economy, invisible crypto. Creators and business owners want to get paid. The blockchain is purposeless. Terminology is deadly. Rename everything tokens to credits or Empire points, wallets to Empire Pass or backpack, smart contracts, rules, or agreements. Is she working on? We skipped a little part. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we was almost done. It says the transaction. If I buy a Sage bundle from a creator, I scan their QR code. The app deducts 10 Empire points behind the scene. Uh, it signs the transaction on the LV blockchain to the user. It looks just like Apple Pay. I like that. The sandbox, letting creators build. You want developers and creators to build apps within LV. You don't want to build everything yourself. Um, yeah, I don't want to build every app myself. Okay, the solutions: secure iframes. The solver sandbox. It says instead of writing the new React code for every creator, you can give them a template. They build their own mini website or games and post it anywhere. Vercel, Replit, etc. They submit the URL to the Empire. When the user clicks the creator's app in the LV marketplace, you open the iframe inside the LV operating system window. Oh, looks like we might be done, y'all. The parent LV app securely passes the user ID into the iframe so the creator knows who's visiting, but nothing else. Action plan, refactoring for sanity. If we agree on this strategy, here's what we need to build slash change. Step one, fix the onboarding, make it invisible. It's make it a flawless one-click slash join link. When tapped, it generates an Etherscan, Ethers.js wallet and local storage, assigns a random citizen 1, 2, 3 name, and then drops it into The activity feed. No passwords, no seed phrases. Okay, but how the fuck would they damn know how to get that shit? Separate the mobile from the desktop, which I do believe it needs to happen. The mobile devices disable on mobile devices, disable the draggable windows. System entirely. If I tap an app on mobile, it should open full screen like a normal web page. Keep the draggable windows on the desktop browsers or specific kiosk modes. Step 3, implement the physical portal logic. Build the NFC routing logic. It's gonna be like /P/ID. Example, tapping the NFC number 1 checks them into the building, adds 5 points to the tapping NFC number 2 opens a specific creator storefront iframe. Yeah. And then step 4, complete the sandbox. Finalize the app store so users can add external URL and it appears as an icon on their desktop. When click, it opens that URL inside the iframe window. Does this break down the line with the grand vision? If so, I can start executing step 1 immediately. Yeah, that was perfect. Oh, let's look at these tasks. Put them up on the full screen. Like the camera remind me about fast. Open the task, Dick. We need you to verify the onboarding mobile at this top. Sure. I'm just saying though, but if they lose their LV while this shit, they already gonna pay for this shit, how they gonna get this shit back? I ain't trying to have no issues with nobody. I'm finna verify this shit on the app though. Just get rid of this account. Start a new one. Then after I get all this done, I'm just gonna go ahead and run the official blockchain. We'll start everything brand new, remove that old bullshit, officially start the blockchain, launch it, run it. We gotta make sure we can actually get what you call it stuff. Fucking smart now. That lame ass shit, man. That shit is crazy. That shit's crazy. Oh shit, I'm over here. What it do, Julia? Said, what you doing? So are you okay? Yeah, man. Uh, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. We trying to go ahead and finish this down. Finish the app for y'all, so everybody can be cool and be on the app and playing when they get here. Excuse me. All right. Tell it. Damage, girls. Damage. Said, yeah. What it do, Mo? But said eating breakfast right now. That what's up. That what's up. You be eating. This your first time eating breakfast. You be eating late too. I fought around and ate a damn Pop Tart and shit just off the munchies. When I had rolled to the store, I already done rolled to the stove. I done put gas in the generator. I done damn. I really done did a lot of little shit. Just look like I said, little shit. And then need to just I'm finna after I get this shit done, I'm gonna draw the template for the numbers on the side of the building, and then go ahead and figure out how the fuck I'm finna paint that over there. Hey, almost said, yeah, sometimes I eat late now that the times change. But what it definitely is weird. So what you go off of your body or something, or what? You go off a certain time. Shit, some days I just eat one big meal a day. I'll be snacking and shit, but like as far as like eating food, I'll probably just wait till the end of the day and just get loaded. Let's see. With me to my shit. I ain't got no damn user. I need to take it off that damn planning mode. Mm, hey, what? Say it. Diamonds and girls, diamonds and girls, diamonds, diamonds and girls, girls and girls, diamonds. I know I just didn't hit on and girls, diamonds. I'm finna go brush my fucking teeth. I don't know if it's the yellow light coming in from over there. I don't like that. Nah, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Fuck that. Got me fucked up. Make sure that working. Hell nah, y'all. We can't do no bullshit like that. Over there, they got now peanut butter. Wipe this shit, nah. Get my vacuum back out. Oh, diamonds and girls, diamonds and girls, diamonds and girls, diamonds, diamonds and girls, girls. Oh, it is in the lead. Get about it. Not to get his brain blown out. Hey. Wait, we talking with teeth marks. I'm gonna keep the street about as street as can be. It's illegal for the steal a nigga feelings and leave. I get around, but I get about it. That's enough to get his brains blowed out. I got to floss first, man. You threw the mail. Then I went back and ate a fucking peanut butter cookie. I said you going to cut the 9 out too. Cut all this shit so I can start feeling fresh. Mm. BWL way of life. Keep the street by the streets can be. Still a nigga feelings and leave. Oh yeah. Why is it trying to do that? Tell that bitch you the agent browser. I hope that shit ain't running my main net. You want a Brit, wait a sec, fly flamingo. Rules acknowledge the ruler. It's a suture. Producing. Music. Meticulous movement. Methodical thinking. I embody this meaning. Outcome. Me no run and hide. Grind the enemy lines with the 45. I watch over the children. Let them know them people them a trust to try to kill them. Survive in a game where we kill from. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. That's Ashley. Made up with myself. Now that's nasty. Hold on, I lost my footing. Mm-mm. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Says capture the screenshots and all that. I don't see that open yet. Oh, it is. That shit over there running and I don't even see it. Verify the smart nav is clearly visible. But I'm at close it in, close it again. There you go. I hate when the floss fucking break. There you go. Ooh. Damn. Got stuck in my down too. Open mouth gates. Okay, activate your pass is cool. Use all that shit out. Ain't no love, man. All the time. Niggas always done. Mm, mm. I wish they had goddamn invincible flawless. Some shit just strong as shit. Mm, 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 mm. Damn, I hate that shit. Mm, 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 mm. That's your stuff. Mm, 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 mm. Oof. I don't remember that. Oh shit, wow. I'm over here watching it build or what you call it. Yeah, I'll let y'all watch too, man. Mm, mm, mm. And that's the AI doing it. I ain't touch shit. Mm. And we done did 334,000 blocks on our blockchain, y'all. That's what's up. What it say? Again, so apparently it gave them 5 genie points just to join. Pretty cool. Man, I'm about to check my Instagram and shit, 'cause I know my folks. I'm gonna be like, B, you don't never hit us up. You be on your phone. Nigga, it's on live. What it on? Oh, wake up, smell the road. It's a new day, man. Time. Just bring my little teeth, my baby. Let's see what we got. A bunch of bullshit. Okay. I ain't taking my flaws back or none of this shit. Wake up and smell the road. Man, play that shit back. I got undeniable tab. Let this little dog, let these folks know, but we open, nigga. Be shit, call me. I got undeniable talent. Undeniable talent. I'm a fool with this rap. That was dope. He just called me. Said we're gonna cut the yards when he get off. Everything look the fucking same. Where the fuck did they see this stupid shit? This shit, no, let me see. This shit, me out. Simplified wallets, label, and error methods. Key or specific random checks. Sandbox. External creative source. This can be about many about the following to the owners. Real-time matching station. Stable view performance. Production added. Take a little minute. Maybe not clear. Flip wig and his mama. Damn, I should have. Oh, I had to say that. As long as it's easy for them to sign up and all that shit, man, we straight. And the only thing we should save, um, we're gonna measure this down wood or this block for this stuff. So go ahead, that's what I'm writing on numbers. Bro, these are gonna be some big ass numbers. Damn. Summarize the findings on how things work. Okay. We started placing the fade. Okay. So it's a lot of crazy shit. Okay. So let's just start up here. Okay. So it says the LB stacking architecture analysis based on a thorough review of current source code. Here are brutally honest answers regarding what we are currently working on, what is fake, mocked, um, how it's based, interact, how the database interactions. God damn, bro. A nigga just can't read right now. I'm finna go fuck that wall spot. Uh, fuck on, bitch. There's free smoke around here. Come through the goddamn window if you want to try. Flame your ass up. But I was saying. So what exactly do you see and how things work now? Right now, the application visually looks like a fully functional Web3 operating system and social network utilizing the progressive disclosure design. Here is here's the exact flow of what is happening today. Onboarding. When you go to /join, a wallet generated initially in the background, the app hides the seed phrase from the user to reduce friction, assigns a random citizen name, example, Neon Pioneer 123, and drops them into the app. The OS and the app versus the app split. The platform detects if you're on a phone, desktop, or desktop. Mobile users get the City app, a streamlined scrolling feed, while desktop/kiosk get the draggable window interface /developer/OS. Both interfaces are anchored by the SmartNav component. Real versus fake. The user interface looks incredible, but much of the content you see on the screen is currently fake data. I scanned the codex for mock and found several areas using hard-coded placeholder data arrays instead of real centralized or decentralized storage. Social feed. The post you see, welcome to the Empire, welcome to the Empire New Chain is hard coded in the wallet service. Entertainment/records, the music tracks and records, the mock tracks are fake. The voting is fake, that was the main one I was looking at. And the guild list is fake. Creator apps, the decentralized app store/key apps are just static front end UIA, what's called UIs arrays right now. The transactions have been tested with different users. No transaction has actually been centralized yet, while the system successfully queries true data balances of the wallet. The LBX blockchains get sending logic are entirely simulated if You send LVE to another user right now. The wallet server file simply subtracts the numbers from your local browser storage, local storage LVE wallet, and adds a fake record to local transaction arrays. It doesn't actually sign a transaction. I knew it. It didn't look like it. Lame ass shit. Nigga, we finna fix that shit right now. Let's say 1806. Man, you been live for 18 minutes. That's weird. Let's see what that do. What it do though. What did it say? Uh, record. Okay. To make the transaction real, we need to upgrade wallet service using or confidential to sign the broadcast to transfer to the LBX node. Yes, thank you. And then it says the database schema versus the centralization. You asked the database schema we will use to centralize the architect is a hybrid Web 2.5 model. A blockchain is too slow and expensive to store everything. Okay, yep. Chat messages. Therefore, we are using Postgres database alongside the LBX. I reviewed it, blah, blah. It says the blockchain handles value. The LBX chain exclusively responsible for your wallet address, your LB token balance, real financial transactions, and NFT ownership. The database handles social and ephemeral data, your username, bio, chat messages, uh, web RTC calls, game character stats, Genie, and social follows are stored in the Postgres. The bridge, the user database table uses wallet address as a primary unique identifier when you log in with your wallet, and the front end fetches your social profile from, okay, the unified files. I'm trying to change that out. The unified files, and we do need them as we refined the architecture, moving away from forcing a desktop UI on mobile users and hiding crypto complexity. Several older components and exploratory pages are no longer needed. We do not. Do we need them? No. Keeping unused files creates technical debt. It makes the code base harder to maintain and build. Bro, what the fuck are you doing over there? Close. Oh, I don't hear it over there. I'm sorry. These niggas scared. Hey, let me see. Action plan to move from this beautiful prototype to a fully real realize the central platform. These are the required next step. Stop mocking transactions. Implement. Yep. Run a code. Clean up. Yep. Replace fake data. Yep. Yep. Oh, that sounds good. It says, would you like me to proceed to the next step? We can. Yep. Say, yep. Do them all in order from 1 to 3. All right. There we go, y'all. So while that's doing that, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna take long, but I got it in planning mode. It's running, verify that it's running. While it's doing that, I'm going to not open my messages. Crazy, man. We're gonna open the stencil out or the light box. That bitch start charging. I'm gonna fuck about unlocking no features, nigga. Upload my photos. I think I already got the 66 already in here. Damn, and then I can't cut the Wi-Fi off because I'm using the what's called. Wait, put some money on your head, bitch. Yeah, money. That bread, bitch. Hey, we just gonna cut it off. I don't give a fuck. Oh, goodness gracious. Just say, nobody said shit, yeah, let's do it. I think this shit, that paper bigger than the whole table. But this one fucking stencil app is taking up all this damn space. Close that bitch. I don't give a fuck. That's a shame how much space this app is using. So look, yeah, now it's gonna act smooth because I cut the shit off. That's dumb as fuck. Never open the damn app with no goddamn Wi-Fi on no more. It be as big as it can get. So this is the numbers for the building. Like it. Close. Close. Okay, maybe I closed the wrong shit. So I'll probably make the numbers about this big to go on the side of the building. They need to be really big because this is how big the stencil is. So, and that's still not big enough for the whole paper. I'm pretty sure that's big enough for people to see outside though. Like I said, I got this little light box app. I don't recommend it to anybody because that shit got hella ads on. And when I visited it while I was on my just then with the Wi-Fi on, it was crashing my shit. Okay, but I'm gonna lock it, put it in lock mode real quick, trace out this damn. What's called? Be done. So definitely gotta lock the fucking. Yeah, dude. I don't like y'all app. I hate y'all app. I don't hate it, but y'all do too much. Lock that bitch. So we activated, y'all. It's gonna get cut anyway. me sit mine right now. Oh my gosh, I should have taped it. Then I hate when the fucking light be moving. I be spazzing for no reason. That was the worst thing I ever done did. Well, that's it. Fuck it. I tried. I genuinely did, but we just didn't have our favorites right here. So we're gonna try to go put this shit on the wall. Okay. First, let's go back and check on this shit. Close this app first. Then we can cut our damn Wi-Fi back on. And connect back to the server. What else do I? Try to make sure y'all can see my button. Oh, y'all probably seen it anyway. This real pimp and relax. Oh, it's still working. We straight. I want to make sure everything on the same page. Everything right, everybody straight. All right. Let's see. Good job. Yeah, still putting up. 65. I'm gonna go post that bitch up. Then I have some more white spray. I see gold, but I don't see white. See the best way to do this. That thing's working hard. And we hardly working. What it do? Is that Goala Mo? Oh, that's that boy Mo. What it do? Mo, what you up to? Let's see. We're finna go ahead and do that. Put that number right there. Kind of match it up with the one that's in the mailbox. They can put the camera out too and kind of like recording that little process. But I'll probably put y'all up. That boy Sauce, what it do, Sauce? I just drew out the template. Said maybe I should have turned it this way. Just drew out the number. We're finna go and put it over there. Shit. Getting a little windy. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Man, it's off. Y'all see that? I didn't know it was gonna be that big. So it's really fucked up. All right. I'm gonna say that. We just gonna eyeball it. It don't need to be fast. It just need to be fun. Then I'm gonna get some more paper and shit. Spray around now. Y'all see that shit? You can't dare see the number though. The boy said, "Chat, should I pull up on for a podcast later on?" Tell him pull up, chat. Tell his dad to pull up. I went and got some gas for the generator and all, man. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Yeah, pull up, man. And then we just got that boy a new mic for the podcast too. So shoot. Tell that boy so pull up. And man, they still ain't dropped the credit card read off yet. That shit had me blowed. You can tell it's gonna rain. This is so windy. Like you can tell some moving here. Try to grab it. Getting it done, y'all. I just want to make sure I don't get that damn spray paint on all my shit. Gotta go and find that bit. Sauce, you done did everything you had to do today, folks. Man, y'all didn't exhaust made a fire. tape, then we cut it off. Then that boy Sauce had everybody piped up on the Uno. Let me see. Said, hold up, I'll be back. So no more. Partner getting crazy already too. I know. That shit wow. Said, what the fuck? Oh, everybody gonna be sniffing the sleep. You got to move, bro. Put the five out. Five ain't number one. So we learned everything from the last go round. All you smile for the first. I was gonna eat the whole damn night. That's my song right there, though, y'all. Hold on. Look out there, what is that? Okay, there's the name of the quarter to the quarter. Making the mic. Ice cream. You know, taste the note, man. That's the dope, man. don't even care. Place. I know. So I push that shit down. Where you at? Bro, why is this? Come on, Rainy. We'll let it dry for a little bit. Hit it one more. There we go. Hey, what it said? What Mo said? What it do? Sauce. I think Sauce went to go do something else real quick. I think he might pull up. Stinky leg. Same thing. Loaded. I'm so loaded. Can't control it. Another number to keep it rolling. I'm so loaded. Can't control it. Need another zone to keep me rolling. I'm so loaded. Can't control it. Need another zone to keep me rolling. I'm so loaded. Can't control it. Another zone to keep me rolling. What you know about the slow mo? Throw this little trash away. The wind going fucking crazy. I'm so loaded, can't control it, need another zone to keep me rolling. I'm so loaded, can't control it, need another zone to keep me rolling. I'm so loaded, can't control it. Got my little numbers out. We on live with it. So y'all check it out. We're gonna hit it with one more coat, let it dry. We're gonna put it out. One boy said,
Wait right here. I'll be back in the morning. I know that I'm not that important to you, but to me, girl, you're so much more than gorgeous. So much more than perfect. And I know that I'm not really working. If you give me time, I can work on it. Give me some time while I work on it. Losing your patience, and girl, I don't blame you. The Earth's in rotation, waiting for me. While I fuck on your waist, cause we only have one conversation, though. And my friends always hating on me. I ain't even gonna lie, that's an ugly ass white that we put right there. I wish it was brighter. Like that shit, it don't look like white. I might have to go back over there. I'm not fucking with that. Like personally, that shit make the beard it look yellow. Like that looking like a dirty ass white. I need to take that. I gotta take that shit. Oh, nigga, if I find a way with you walking, like, talking to me, cause we only have one conversation. Though. I wanted to be white like the paper, like that shit. That shit white. While I'm falling to pieces, look at the sky tonight. Ain't nothing, man. Oh, I'll just leave it at that. Y'all let it dry. But at least they'll be able to see the number from the side of the road. Cause that's a pretty big fucking number. It ain't as big as a whole block, but I could do something. I'll probably do a little design or something around it. Like the little angels or something. Hey, Say that I appreciate you, Mo. It just look dirty to me though. It just look like a dusty yellow. Come in this way. In between, moving a tool in the vein by using his sneaks. Then they using his teeth to put us in this fuck brand. Because that I love him, but it breaks my heart. So, why you can't just do yourself? All these niggas to ride. I got enough for it. Learn how to customize. Oh, just as far as I can look. They read like a book. I know. But I feel like a hoe. Learn in the world. Dance little girl. I got a book for it. Learn how to customize my gut feeling. Their best piece. Nigga be in on state, nigga try to fuck him, take it to the face, and where you see him, then the curb where we leave him. In the future. Are those peach trees? Yeah, but get him, I got him. Just like, they ain't gonna stop you. You hot about that? Sit down like normal. wanna get out. I'm not doing it. It is what it is, but I just can't do that shit, bro. Hey, shit happen. It is what it is, man. I ain't worried about none of that shit. I just had to deal with it. Let me get out there live, man. Hey, look, let me snap this stuff out real quick. Man, that shit ripped off. The paint in there. Oh yeah, cause the paint went dry yet. We did just do that yesterday. Man, that shit ripped off all of it. We're gonna touch it up. I'll probably let it dry first. Oh, that look decent. He said once you move the paper around it, it's gonna stand out. Yeah, Mo, it did though. It don't look that bad. Like I said, I'll do a little design or something on the side of it so it don't look plain. I don't like plain shit. But let's just see if you can see it from the road. Look at the mailbox. But that's what it look like. Yeah, you can see it. That's a mirror in there doing that little light. But yeah, Mo, like you said, and then so I got the 65. I tried to do it in, yeah, that's the same font and everything. Just put it on the side, 65. Then I do, like I said, draw a little design on the side of it. Nothing too much, but just like probably some little floral shit. I swear I went live for an hour. What the fuck going on? It don't matter, man. Love all, man. I'm gone. That's it. Take that little picture.